Messrs. Shri Omkar Constructions. Leadership, trust and consistent performance. Shri Omkar Constructions. Messrs. Shri Omkar Constructions is a leading real estate group. As front runners in the real estate arena, the company firmly believes in the value for money. Messrs. Om Developers has been celebrating 25 glorious years of constructional magnificence. Messrs. Shri Omkar Constructions.
The motto of Shri Omkar Construction is trust and reliability. We work on the same and we will work for the same.
While designing our projects, we take special care of environment, health and safety management. We also believe in corporate responsibility. We are the active participants in constructing schools, colleges and educational institutions.
Work is our worship. We work on the same principle, and that is Messrs. Shri Omkar Constructions.
Over the years, we have developed and promoted various benchmark projects in the residential and commercial segment. Messrs. Shri Omkar Constructions is coming up with a mega project at Titwala, Om Chintamani Residency.
We are launching a mega project at Titwala, Om Shri Chintamani Residential Complex.
Omkar Construction has come out with the very good, that is the mega project at Titwala, and considering all the aspect, or rather I'll say keeping all this concept in mind, we have designed this project in a very beautiful way.
Om Chintamani Residency. Location at Titwala, 1.5 km to 2 km away from station. Opulent roads inside the complex. Impressive ambience. Ultra modern amenities. Trains and transportation is having ample frequency. Om Chintamani Residency. Living the life beyond your dreams with affordable cost. Om Chintamani Residency, where luxury meets value and hear the harmony of nature. Someone said, the road to success is always under construction. Messrs. Shri Omkar Constructions is coming up with a mega project at Titwala, Om Chintamani Residency.
Be at Art presentation.